Hey guys, Crypto Charlie here today, bringing you today another Crypto Encourage video. Welcome back to the channel. The 23rd richest man in the world invests in the Bakkt IPO's cryptocurrency exchange, and China's second largest Bitcoin mining rig is about to launch. What is happening? Let's get into the video. Coin market cap, guys, it is 3:20 Central Pacific Time on January 9th, 2019. What is good to the new year? Market cap, $136 billion. We got a mixed feelings today in the market. We got Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, XRP's up, Bitcoin Cash is down, Stellar's down, Tron up with 10%, Cardano with almost 7%. We got good numbers here, guys. We got amazing numbers today. This is what I think a healthy market looks like. Healthy market is a mixed array of profits and losses based on independency of the company. Because Bitcoin, everything's basically attached to Bitcoin right now. And it's sad to see when Bitcoin goes down, the market goes down. So obviously you can see Bitcoin is down 0.10%. And that does have effect on other cryptocurrencies. But let's get into the video. The world's 23rd richest man invests in a cryptocurrency Bakkt first funding round. So as we know in previous videos and of other articles on the web, Bakkt and NASDAQ are thinking about getting into a cryptocurrency exchange where they have their own, basically like their own Coinbase, if you were to think, where it is funded and it is regulated by them. That's awesome because you're gonna get a lot more investors in that are like, oh, Bakkt's getting into this. Like, dude, I trust Bakkt. Bakkt's a good company. They're gonna start investing in. That's when you're gonna see a lot of money going into the market, and that's when we're gonna see our next bull run. You're gonna see everything skyrocket. Trust me on this. Bakkt, a digital asset platform created by the Intercontinental Exchange, has completed its first funding round, securing an investment from Li Ka-shing, a renowned Hong Kong billionaire and one of the wealthiest men on the planet. Dude, you're ranked number 23rd in the world for being rich. Yeah, you got a lot of weight being pulled by you. Bakkt, a cryptocurrency platform backed by the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, had completed its Series A funding round on December 31st, 2018. Bakkt signed off more than $180 million raised, entering the new year with a bang. That is great. $180 million going into a project to help launch the future of cryptocurrencies on a well-regulated exchange. Yeah, that's gonna be great. So according to EJ Insight, one of the most notable investors in Bakkt was Horizon Ventures, a Hong Kong venture capital firm founded by Li Ka-shing. Ka-shing, who is the 23rd richest man in the world, according to Forbes. What's interesting about this, though, is this, however, isn't the first time Ka-shing has ventured into cryptocurrencies. In 2013, Horizon Ventures invested into BitPay, which a lot of people know what BitPay is, a Bitcoin processing payment software. That's how Lightning Network adapted to what it is today. And in 2016, Blockstream, a blockchain technology provider. So you got a high roller who pulls a lot of weight under his name and is from Hong Kong, China, which China is huge into Bitcoin. They have their regulations with the government, one day they're hot, one day they're cold. But in China, though, and for cryptocurrencies, they mostly believe in Bitcoin. They don't talk about all the other altcoins. There was an article I read. I don't remember where it's from, unfortunately, but they had a statistics where in China, for all the cryptocurrencies, about 43% of them, when they hear cryptocurrencies, all they know is Bitcoin. They don't know anything else exists. So that's exciting news. I can't wait to see more articles on this as far as Bakkt's first funding round in the cryptocurrency exchange. That is gonna be huge. So our second article today is China's second largest Bitcoin mining equipment firm might launch IPO in New York. Dude, this doesn't get any better than this. Think about this. All right, you got Chong over here, the 23rd richest man, invest in the BAX cryptocurrency platform, and then all of a sudden you're going to see China's second largest Bitcoin mining equipment firm might launch IPO in New York. Don't you think this is connected? Chinese company Canaan Incorporation, the second largest manufacturer of Bitcoin mining chips in the country after Bitmain, is making plans to launch an initial public offering in New York. The story is being reported by Bloomberg, citing people with knowledge of the matter, as ChippyCap reported earlier, saw their IPO application lapse last November. At the listing committee of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, their raising goal was $1 billion. Main competitors Bitmain and eBay have not received approval for their applications so far, so it is in the making. Regardless of undisclosed source comments, there is no certainty yet that the IPO will be launched, and even less approved. Beijing headquartered Canaan has been selling Bitcoin mining equipment since 2013 and reported revenue close to $200 million in 2017. Short article, but it's just one of those articles that you just pop up and you're like, whoa, this is pretty interesting. Let me hear about this. So there's nothing guaranteed. There's really nothing guaranteed in this. It would be nice to see like a Bitcoin mining incorporation being added to an IPO in New York. That would be great. Well, with that being said, guys, stay tuned for next video. Remember, have a good day.